In this story, we will see that how you can remove account restrictions on Facebook in just few easy steps. So here are some general steps that you can take to address account restrictions. So for the first step, you have to check notification. When your account is restricted, you typically receive a notification explaining the reason for the restriction. But if it's not showing here, and the other way to check violation that you did, click on this profile icon, and here in menu, open your profile. In profile, if you click on these three dots, you will view your profile settings. You have to click on profile status. Open it, and you will see your violation here. It could be community guideline violation or any other. Now to solve that, click back and from menu, scroll down and click on settings and files. Here you have to open settings. In settings, open this account center. In account center, you will find here personal details. Open it and here you would find identity confirmation. You have to tap on that. So the first way to remove account restriction is to verify yourself. Simply click on confirm your identity and it will ask you to give details about your CNSC and other details. And for the next and last step, click back in menu, scroll down and you will find here help and support. You have to click on that and here you have to tap on report a problem. Click on OK. Now it's showing here. Go back to where you saw an issue and shake your phone. You can follow this process and be patient. Sometimes account restrictions are temporary and your account will be automatically restored after a specific period. If you have addressed the issue and followed the provided guidance, wait for the restrictions to be lifted.